In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Facebook ads saved audiences. If you regularly create Facebook ad campaigns, saved audiences can save you a significant amount of time. Instead of rebuilding the same targeting settings every time you launch a new ad set, you can create an audience once, save it, and reuse it whenever you need it. This helps keep your targeting consistent across multiple campaigns while making the setup process much faster. To begin, sign into your Facebook Ads Manager account and open the main dashboard. From the menu on the left, click on Audiences. This section displays any audiences you've previously created and also allows you to build new ones. To create a new saved audience, click Create Audience and then choose Saved Audience. You'll now be asked to configure your audience. Start by giving it a descriptive name that makes it easy to recognize later. For example, if you're targeting attorneys in California, you might choose a name that clearly reflects both the profession and the location. Next, select the geographic area you want to target. If you want Facebook to focus only on that location, disable the option that allows it to expand your reach beyond your selected area. Continue configuring the remaining audience settings. Adjust the age range if needed. Select a gender if your campaign requires it, and enter a language if you're targeting speakers of a specific language. These settings will depend on your particular marketing goals. As you continue down the page, you'll notice Facebook's Advantage Plus Audience option. This feature allows Facebook's AI to expand your targeting automatically. If you prefer full control over your audience, switch to the original audience options if they're available. This restores the detailed targeting section, where you can manually search for interests, job titles, and behaviors that match your ideal audience. Enter the relevant targeting options that fit your campaign. Continue adding interests and demographics until you're satisfied with your audience. Then click Create Saved Audience.